Headache in my piece, push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got you by the cross, sweat, Jeff for peace. Got the dad and every plan, inside the peace.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to blend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy,
Hey guys, it's Ileana Sereno, and I'm back with another video today. So for today's video, it's a surprise birthday party trip for my friend Lauren. She's turning 18 tomorrow, and she doesn't know about the Mexico trip, so we're going to Cabo. She doesn't know about it, so my friend Allie and I, we've known for 2 weeks now. Her mom has set it up, and I had to go get my passport, so I went ahead and got my passport, and I'm literally currently packing my bag. I am so tired. I always pack my bag like hours before I leave for some reason, because I'm just like really lazy. But I'm in the middle of packing my stuff right now, so I'm gonna go to sleep right now, and I'm gonna wake up around 6 because Allie is gonna come pick me up at like 8, and then we have to be at the airport by 10. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so I'm done packing, and it is currently 7 in the morning, about to be 8. Allie, my friend, is gonna come pick me up right now, and we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go drop her car off at her dad's house, and then her dad's gonna take us to the airport. So I'll see you when I get to the car. So I'm currently airport ready. I'm wearing this crop top shirt with these sweatpants and this pink top. I'm pretty sure I just said that, but I'm so excited for Cabo. I've never been to Mexico, so I'm really excited for that. A lot of my family is telling me to be careful, so I'm gonna watch all my surroundings, and yeah, I'm just so excited to go. So bye. Bye. I love you. Love you too.
Have fun. I'm not crying.
What time do we have to get to the airport?
Her mom wants us to meet us there at 9:30, and then our plane doesn't leave till 12 something, and then we land in Cabo around 2 or 3ish.
Damn, it's a short ride.
Yeah, it's only 2 hours and 18 minutes. I just put my phone in my head.
Hello, Casher. Hello. What you doing, Foxy? What's that?
My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal, and you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out, dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you, I keep thinking you just don't know, trying to run from that, say you're done with that, on your face girl it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready, when all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me.
Y'all, we're so fun. We're so fun. We're supposed to be surprising Lauren and her. We see her mom in the airport, and she's like right next to us. Don't look. Okay, y'all, we checked our bags in, so now we're going to the bathroom, and then we're gonna find our gate. But we are so scared because we showed up next to Lauren.
I'm so bad.
She didn't see us though. So. We just showed up. We just went in the men's bathroom. Lauren saw us. So Lauren saw us. She saw us in security check.
I made eye contact with her.
Yep. So now we're at our gate. Yeah. So we kind of, she kind of ruined this.
I didn't. It was hard not to miss her because she was staring at me, and then I saw her. And I was like, and then she was like.
Yeah, no. So she knows we're here.
But I told her I was going to Hawaii, so she don't know that. She don't know that.
But I didn't tell her I was going anywhere.
I didn't know Derek and Gavin were coming. Oh, not Gavin. Derek and David.
Oh, David's coming?
Yes.
Y'all, they didn't give me a seat. So I gotta go find a seat. I'm so tired.
Boy, what the fuck? Man, put this car on.
Oh, I'm so tired. I'm slow.
I need to get a nap when we get to the hotel. I'm gonna get a drink and then take a nap.
Should we board it now?
We out here. We got
Alyssa. Oh my god, wait, no, that's Ava.
There's your microphone.
That's what I was doing.
Quality's so good.
I know. How is it?
No, it's...
Hi vlog. I'm starting the vlog today. It's Dave Bangs 4KJ reporting here. We out. Got Jermichael right there. Jermichael, my boy. And Jamela. And Gian. And John. Who? I have to come up with your name real quick. Oh, I look kind of good today. What do we think? Light drip today. Light drip. Light drip. See it. We're finna get more turn in Cabo Road. All right, I made you a great intro.
Yeah, I just want one.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain.
Grandest of all time. That would have been the one that took me up. Like, was this speed?
We in Mexico, y'all. It's hot. It's too hot.
What? Did you get that test out of your seat? No,
We in Mexico, y'all. Bro, it's too hot here. Like my hair is sweating.
this is the only place where it's fucking cold, and then it gets fucking hot as shit outside.
Yo, we really jamming out here.
Oh, we really out here?
We out here, Mexico.
I'm getting dark. I'm getting tan.
Oh, me? I'm getting dark now. Have you not been to Mexico? We in the bus now.
How you feeling? I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you at Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that you don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not in it.
Hey y'all, we made it to our freaking room. Finally. Oh my god. I'm gonna give y'all a tour. Okay, so we got a bar here. And we got the bathroom. They got the bathroom. This is our room. It's already messy now. It's already messy, y'all.
Shut.
Wait, let me show y'all the view. This is the outside, y'all. We're on the way to the pool.
I think I got bit by it.
Yeah, we hit the pool. Oh my god, that's such a nice view.
Which
All of it.
Where are you? Show me you.
Tell them they were.
Oh yeah. Can we get tatted again? I think I can see.
He came out of the pool. No, I'm gonna rewatch these videos and the transformation of my hair just be pinned straight now to curly. Pool is empty as hell. We going to dinner. Yo. We're gonna walk.
Do you take a camera?
Taking pictures. Oh, this is a nice background.
You can walk to the balcony, but you've seen fireworks before. I told him to be a little closer, but
salad.
At the same time as you.
I need my bag.
Hey, smile. Smile.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lauren. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Ellie, wait. Oh, she was like it turned. Let it get turned. Let's go to the party. Are y'all ready for the party? Y'all ready?
Hell yeah. Are you ready?
Hell yeah. Bro, spin it up.
Just don't let it get wet.
But this shit is not real.
It's not real.
Hey.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind.
Okay, so we're going to our breakfast now. We got breakfast. We just came back from breakfast. I got a donut. Hey, we're at the beach, y'all. We got fries.
I don't even.
This is high tide. Oh, it's really strong. It's a really strong tide. Oh. This is really
really cool.
Hey y'all, so we're going to a water park now. This is Lauren's little sister, Ava. Look at this freaking water park. Are you excited?
Really, yes, I'm really excited. That's real high. Oh my god.
I'm getting my hair braided. So we got our hair braided. This is my hair. This is coiled. This is Ava. She got her hair braided.
Don't look at the back.
We're not gonna look at the back, but the front is very cute.
Really cute.
Yes.
She put it too long.
Yeah.
That lady.
We getting grubs, Ava. We're getting grubs. Oh, I'm getting fried. We got grubs. Yep. Food.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing they are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life on. But thank God for the journey that's to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to me load. One time things down in a class and we put that only see the road from the one with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit say I sing, yeah. Jimmy all dig it soon get the iron ring. Like hello brother, say I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your falling and live man.
What'd you get?
It's mango, whatever the stuff. I think it's chili powder.
Mango.
With chili powder.
Mango pistachito. I don't know.
This one I got to be the Jabata. I know get time, I did Jabata. That cover my face, I know you die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I did that, take me to my way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. Tell me, what's it go? You want to all the money, ride the boat, I go feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want to all the money, ride the boat. I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, boat I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want.
Just came back from the boat.
What?
Yeah.
Look,
So
there's baby ones.
Getting in the van to go back to the resort. Whoop.
It's all in the van. That's a cow. Oh my god.
Ice cream.
Okay, hold on. We're here today. Food time.
Food time. Kids got fries.
See my big back meal. We're all big bags today. Oh, look at the happy.
No, because I got so many fries earlier, so I was up to get back.
Big bag. Okay, they have film the nice food. Alright, let me see this dessert real quick. Never mind. I didn't have time.
Never mind.
Oh, that's kind of cool. That weed. Yeah, definitely. They definitely have that in here. Let's see. What is this? Oh my gosh.
We just got grabbed.
I'm in mid-read, Chris, guys.
He can't show his hair too much. I'm doing his hair. Yep.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the I said, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was it more than a summer fling? I said farewell, took it well, promise I'm gonna cry, but the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bag, give me another hour, so are you bothering me when you know you don't want me? Are you bothering me when you know you gotta want me? Are you hitting me when you know better?
You go out for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did put my wife fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me, I be a dog.
This is us
aftermath.
We're ready to go home. We're at the airport, y'all. We're getting some food, and then we're gonna get on our gate and board. Last day in Cabo.
Shadow by moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Kachuru. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani Kachuru. I'm a white dog like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Kachuru.
Big bag, big bag, big bag. Is it good?
Still hitting.